Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a Christmas decor haul. I wanted to show you guys all the goodies I found in the store so you guys can get that before Christmas, before you start decorating. So I decided this year I wanted to decorate a little earlier because last year we were in Florida in the apartment and I didn't get to decorate at all for Christmas, and I was so sad. But I told Daryl that I'm going to decorate like crazy this year, and here I am, November the 6th, decorating already. So I am so excited for Christmas. I love decorating for Christmas, and I'm going to do a decorate with me. Also, I will be doing a home tour. So right now I just started putting this Christmas tree up, and I'm going to start doing the bookcases very soon, probably later on today. But yeah, so let's get started with this Christmas decor haul. There are so many cute things out there, guys. I am so excited to show you guys the goodies that I have. So the first store I'm going to talk about is Kirklands. Kirklands actually sent me over these products because I am a Kirklands insider. So I am freaking in love with the stuff they sent me. First, this pillow right here, guys. It is so gorgeous, and this is what it looks like. I love this fringe, and the texture of this pillow is amazing. It's just a wreath with berries. I love berries. Berries are my go-to to decorate for Christmas. So I thought this was a perfect pillow, and I am so excited. I love pillows. So this one was $29.99, but with Kirklands they always have sales. And also you can get the Kirklands the spin to win app, where you just basically spin it and you can get a percentage off your purchase price, or you can get like money off, like $10 off 50, stuff like that. So make sure you guys download that app. That app is amazing. So yeah, this is from Kirklands and I love it. Okay, so this is kind of big to show, but let me try. So the next thing is this freaking beautiful garland. I have never seen a garland so beautiful in my life, and this is from Kirklands as well, and it also lights up, as you can see. So this is what it looks like. Berries, of course, pine cones, and just, it's beautiful, guys. When I saw this, I was like, wow. The quality looks so amazing, and I was very impressed. So this was $49.99, but like I said, coupon it up, guys. But this is, I believe it's 6 feet. Everything that I'm going to talk about today, I'm going to link it down below if I find it. Okay, the last thing that Kirkland sent over was this beautiful lantern. So this one was $49.99, and it is huge. I don't even think I could fit it all in here. It is so big and it's beautiful. I love that. So I'm gonna put this outside on the porch. I'm gonna decorate my porch soon. I'm so excited for that. I'll probably be doing that. I probably will do that later today or tomorrow. So I'm so excited for that. So that was the last thing that Kirkland sent me. The next store I'm gonna talk about is Bath & Body Works, because you guys know it's what I do. I am obsessed with it. And honestly, guys, it's probably the most boring purchase ever, because all I got was Marshmallow Fireside. There we go. That's all your girl got. I got Marshmallow Fireside. I just got two different styles, and this one. Marshmallow Fireside is the best candle ever. I love it. So I got 4 of them because I was down to my last 2. I do have 2 other Marshmallow Firesides, but I don't want to burn them because that branding was like the perfect branding ever for Christmas time. It had snowmen, and it was like, I think Santa Claus was on there. I don't know, but it was such cute branding, and I don't want to burn those because those are so cute. The last couple years I haven't been too crazy about the branding anyway, so I just buy them, and these are the ones that I will burn, but I won't burn the other ones. Okay, the next store that I'm going to talk about is Hobby Lobby. I bought some cute things at Hobby Lobby. The first thing, oh, smack myself in my face. It's way too big to show all of it at once. Ooh, trying to. I bought it because of this little barn. I thought that was super cute, that barn. I thought it was adorable, and I needed a Christmas rug, so that's that. Okay, so the rug was $29.99 and it was on sale for $15, so that was a good deal. And the next thing I got were these tree skirts. These were $29.99, and I got them on sale half off as well, because right now they have 50% off. So you know me, I kept it super simple. You know your girl loves her burlap, so that's exactly what this tree skirt is. Super simple, but they have these cute little buttons. These cute little buttons right there. I thought they were so cute. So these skirts are for this Christmas tree right here, and I'm gonna put another one over here. It's gonna be like, this living room is about to be like super winter wonderland, I swear. So I bought 2 of them, and I decided to go really simple with my tree skirts. I like simplicity in my decor. I just like accent colors of the red and green. I do have another tree skirts that Daryl and I bought like our first Christmas, I believe, but that tree skirt I will never get rid of because I love it so much. I'm not too sure if it's gonna fit in the tree I have upstairs, but I will see. But that's a skirt that I will never get rid of. I just love it. But I wanted to buy these just to have options as well. So these were $29.99 and I got them for $15. Okay, so the next couple things are little picks. So this one was 99 cents. This is what it looks like. Berries, of course, some pine cones. I love them. So these were 99 cents and I got them for half off. So they were 50 cents and I bought 20 of them. Yes, I bought 20 of them. So what I like to do with these is I actually like using these to decorate either garlands or wreaths. I love filling Christmas trees with these little bad boys. I just love the way it looks. You see what I'm saying? Like, it just looks so beautiful. So I bought 20 of these. I might be using these in the upstairs Christmas tree, but I don't know yet. I bought 20, so I might use some down here too. And the next thing I got was this. I have an addiction to coffee mugs, I know. So this was $7.99. It was on sale for 50% off. And it is the little tin kind of mug, and I love it. And this is what it says. It's just super simple. So it just says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, with the red trim around. So I had to get it because obviously I have a problem. The last couple things I got from Hobby Lobby were these gorgeous berries and pine cones. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Like, I just love berries. So these were $11.99 and they were on sale for half off, so they were $6, and I actually bought 2 of these. So this is kind of the same situation. Sometimes I'll just buy these and take them apart and then put them in little places, little fillers, or I put them in garlands. But I love buying these. They just, look how pretty that looks with a Christmas tree. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see. Like, if this were in the Christmas tree, that would look so freaking beautiful. I actually, oh, stuck. It got stuck. I actually might go back to Hobby Lobby. Once I'm done decorating everything, I might actually have more decor hauls, just because I like to put everything out and then I'll go back to the store and see if I need any more. So I might buy more of these. I'm not too sure. I only bought 2. But I feel like I might need more. I'm not sure yet. And the next thing I got from Hobby Lobby was this little country round. I'm gonna do like a little DIY with this. I feel like this is super cute, but basically you can see the bark of the tree, which I love. And I'm trying to find the price, and I don't think it has it, but it basically was like $3–4. It wasn't that expensive at all. So I literally just said I have a mug problem, and it's 100% correct. But I found this crazy sweet deal on Walmart.com. And these mugs were for $10.98, I believe the price was $10.98 for 4 mugs. And y'all, they are the cutest mugs ever. So they look like this. They're really large. They're perfect for hot chocolate, I feel like. But look at this. Look how cute. It says, don't get your tinsel in a tangle. I thought that was so cute. So that's one. So this one's the same red color, and it says, let it snow, with the beautiful little wreath decor. I thought it was so adorable. So this is a white mug, and this one says jingle all the way, but look how beautiful. I was so impressed with the quality of this because it's Walmart, you know. And the last one is another white one, and it says, baby, it's cold outside. So I thought it was a good deal. Like, this is $10. That's a really good deal to me. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have gotten them because I don't even have space for them. You could even give these away in presents, you know, like throw some hot chocolate in here, wrap it up, and it'll be really cute, like a little hot chocolate, some marshmallows, and wrap it up and give it away to a coworker or something. I thought it was so cute. Okay, and the next thing I got from Walmart, I obviously can't show because it's a Christmas tree and it's huge, but it is my first pencil tree. So upstairs, we bought a big TV last year. It's like a 70-inch TV, 65-inch. I'm not too sure, but it's huge. But I also had to buy a very large TV stand, which is like I think it's 72 inches. So it's very long. So we didn't have space for a Christmas tree up there, or for a regular Christmas tree. So I decided to get a pencil tree, and it's a flop flocked tree, which is my first flocked tree ever, so I'm so excited to decorate. That's where I have all the berries. You're gonna see all the berries incorporated in that tree because the tree is white. It's obviously flocked, so it's gonna be white, and I want nothing but red on there. It's gonna be a bunch of red ornaments, some berries. Oh, it's gonna look so beautiful. I just love the way the white flock tree and the berries look. The contrast is beautiful. So that was at Walmart, and I got that for $79. So going with that flocked type of vibe, I guess. Did I just say vibe? Okay, I am 32 years old. The theme of the flocked. I actually bought these. These are 9-foot flocked garlands from Walmart for $12.97. So beautiful. I actually bought 3 of these because I'm going to be placing them all along the staircase. But that's what it looks like. Let me show you guys. That is beautiful. The next thing I got is from Cracker Barrel. My daddy actually bought this for me. They came to visit us and we went to Cracker Barrel, and if you guys go to Cracker Barrel, you know that little store. They have so many cute things. But this is super cute, and it was only $9.99, which I was so impressed with. But look how cute that is, guys. Oh my gosh. It's just like a little tray. I just love having stuff like this in the kitchen. I thought it was so adorable, and for $9.99 it's such a good deal. I love bread trucks. You guys know this. Bread trucks. I want a bread truck like this like later on in life. But I love the Merry Christmas. I love anything that says Merry Christmas. I'm all for it. So I was so excited for this. These are actually from Lowe's, and I was very impressed with the quality of the berries. So this is what they look like, and these were $4.98. They were $4.98. I thought it was such a good deal. And like I said, same thing. I can either like pick them up, like you can see, you can pick them apart, put them in garland, to do whatever, do stuff like that. So I always buy a bunch of berries during Christmas time just to have them. I probably have a lot of berries in my decor already that I haven't even used, but I just love buying berries, especially when they're good quality berries. I used to always get the Dollar Tree berries, and those suck. So I started buying better quality berries that can last, so I'm excited for those. Another random Christmas purchase right here. My Williams-Sonoma hot chocolate, y'all. This bad boy right here is the best hot chocolate you'll ever taste. And I will say this is pricey. This is $19.95, but this thing will last you all of winter. I bought like 3 of them last year, and I only went through 2, but that was literally for the whole year, not just like winter, for the whole year. And actually this is very, very, very sweet. And I love chocolate. Chocolate is like my everything, but even for me, I felt like this was way too chocolatey when you use the 5 tablespoons that they suggest. I started using like 2.5. So if you use 2.5 instead, it lasts way longer. So I definitely recommend this. I rave about this every year. So this is what it looks like. It's so Christmassy, and I love it. And they only sell this during Christmas time, so make sure you guys go grab some, and they sell out really fast, so make sure you grab one. This next thing I got is from Kohl's, and they are little Christmas towels. So this green one is the first one. So cute. I love it. And the second one is this little reindeer. So I love berries, and I love all things that are very vintage, antique Christmas. And when I saw these, I thought it was very vintage and very antique, and I thought it was so cute. So I love these, and these were only like $6, y'all. These were $13.99, but I got them for like $6. I think maybe even $4. Kohl's always has really, really good deals when it comes to their decor and stuff like that. So definitely check them out. All right, so the last place I'm gonna talk about is Ikea. So I went to Ikea with my parents, and I bought this little Christmas tree. I thought it was so adorable. This was, oh dang it, they don't have prices. I don't remember how much it was, but it was pretty affordable. So I got this for my office, and then I got this little tin. It has a heart, but I'm going to turn it around, and I'm just going to place this in here, and it's super vintage to me. I thought it was very vintage and antique. And then I got these cute little ornaments for the tree. So cute. And oh, so I got 2 of them, as you can see here. And then I saw these cute little flowers that I thought would be really, really cute on that little Christmas tree as well. Just something different. So it's gonna be red and white. I thought that would look really cute. So that's all for this Christmas decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a lot of stuff. I will link everything that I find down below so you guys can go check it out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I will have a lot of more Christmas videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.